The
step.
theme is the first step.
The first step.
Oh my God.
Keep that in bloopers.
So today, me and Sam wanted to do a boxing instead of an unboxing to really show you guys like the behind the scenes of our Poosh mailers, how we come up with what it is. And this is our summer mailer.
How to have a Poosh perfect summer day.
I think it's really interesting instead of us just explaining all the products, but just to like really have you guys understand like the behind the scenes of how we come up with the theme and like how it all
The thought
works.
process of like putting all the products together and
Exactly, and how we select the products.
Yeah.
We are constantly communicating to talk about what brands we feel really...
and new products
Right.
that we're discovering that we're excited about.
I think we want it to feel really curated
Yes.
and thoughtful. One of my biggest things that means the most to me is like, what is it presented in? It really bothers me when things aren't good for the planet. I think we're always really happy in the end when we see the final mailer.
Yeah, me too. So this is a fun unboxing. It's like a deconstructed unboxing. It's
Yes.
the first time we're doing it this way.
It's a boxing.
Yeah, it's a boxing.
I think we could start with what our vessel
Yeah.
is. Oh my gosh.
It's so heavy, and it's made out of all recycled plastic bottles, which I'm obsessed with. It's basically a picnic or a beach tote with all of these cool compartments for wine, drinks, snacks.
Farmer's market, like it has so many
it's
uses.
amazing.
The
I'm
fact
super
that it's
excited
made
about this.
of plastic water bottles is like
So cool.
huge and so cool.
Yeah.
And then all these little compartments is like perfect for a picnic, for farmer's market, for going to the grocery store. And then there's also this cooler compartment that it keeps everything cold.
So
we'll get
cute.
into like what exactly is in that. This is one of my favorite
I'm
mailers
excited
so
about
far.
the bag.
I'm gonna
I
move
mean,
this
it's-
and we can get into each product.
Yeah.
I love the wine.
The wine is Dry Farm Wines. It's organic. So we're including a lovely white and a rosé.
It
the
says
next
always
day.
organic, sugar-free, and it has a little less alcohol.
And it's biodynamic.
And it's biodynamic farming, which
Yeah.
I love, and it's from a small farm. It
We
says
did a whole wine tasting with them, the whole Poosh team, and it was
Amazing.
super fun. And we went through a lot of wine, and everybody felt great after.
really like
Yeah.
the next day.
Yeah.
I want to try this even though it's noon.
So this is Lone River Ranch Water Hard Seltzer, and it's actually a take on tequila, lime, and soda, our favorite.
It's 80 calories.
Yeah.
That seems good. Oh, it smells so good.
Oh, it's good.
Should we try?
So Celsius, amazing energy drinks with no jitters, which is the cool thing about this brand.
Mine's peach vibe.
Okay, mine's tropical vibe. We had Celsius at Camp Poosh too.
Yeah,
and
I
everybody
tried Celsius
loved
at
it.
Camp Poosh. Who doesn't love a little extra energy? Ooh, the peach is divine. I
This
didn't
is
try
really
the peach.
good.
Continue to our snacks.
Yep, so we have SmartSweets.
So these are 3 grams of sugar per
Very
bag.
low in sugar, plant-based, vegan.
And I'm sure you remember on our show when Kim and I got in a fight about candy. I wanted like organic candy at the kids'
remember.
birthday party.
That's right, she was
And
like,
she was like, organic candy, show me some and I'll, you know,
is so
I bet
good.
it tastes nasty. And then I was
And-
like, nope.
They have things like Coke bottles. Sweet, is that a Swedish fish?
Yeah, this is my fave.
They're good. Okay, moving on to another snack.
I eat these all the time.
These are amazing. So do I. I mean, I learned about it through Poosh. That's it. It's all fruit.
So all that's in these is just the fruit, which
Just
is
the fruit.
why it's so
They're
genius.
delicious. My kids love them.
This one has
They're
only
really good.
apples and only blueberries. There's no other ingredients.
And I keep them in my car, like in case I'm hungry or if I'm
I
like,
should do that. Essential to just carry around all the time. Jeans.
Levi's. It's 501 day in May, so it's perfect timing.
It's
And
149
I can't get over it.
year
149
anniversary.
years old. 149 years. So this is their 90s mid-rise classic 501 jeans. I mean,
and you're wearing them.
and I'm wearing them. Yeah, and I love them. They're super cute and
We
comfortable.
love anything 90s. I feel like everyone needs a new summer sweatsuit in like a summer color. And we did green for half the people. I kind of went off
And
like
purple.
what I thought I could see them wearing.
Right.
And these are Pangaea.
Super cute.
And what I love about Pangaea, like it says here, this hoodie is treated with natural peppermint oil to keep fresh, saving water, energy, and time. This is a friend of mine's brand. She's so into our planet
so
and the
great.
environment.
Well, and you can just tell, like, it's great quality. They are super comfortable and soft. We have Slip Silk. They've been a great
Yes.
partner of ours since day one with their Tropez collection. There's black and white scrunchies, so your hair doesn't get damaged. Their new pillowcase with a zipper. And then, of course...
Oh, that's cute, the
yeah, it's
striped
super cute.
pillowcase.
It's a really cute
I think our
pillowcase.
thing with Slip Silk is like they have been in almost all of our mailers, maybe all of our mailers.
Every single one.
And every time our theory is like, people need new scrunchies. We love that they're silk and that they don't damage your hair. They also look cute for summer, like with your hair thrown up in a ponytail and some jeans. And then this,
Glam band.
the Glam band, I use mine all the time
Every
for
day.
washing my face,
Yeah.
for doing face treatments, and I love that it's like Velcro
Me
and
too.
so easy to
Me
just
too.
like slip
It's
around.
great.
And we have the stainless
Sacheu. We
face
love
roller.
Sacheu. Yeah, and they have these two new products. They're Slick Skin and their Occlusive Night Cream.
So one's a serum.
One's a serum,
And
one's
one's
a
a night
cream.
cream.
They're clean. They're, I mean, great products. And I love that these are made out of recycled stainless steel and then recycled again.
Yeah, and I love keeping this in my fridge. And then my favorite sunscreen, EltaMD.
This is tinted.
Oh, I love the tinted one.
Yeah.
The tinted one is actually my favorite.
Yeah, it's great.
because if I don't have time to put makeup on, I will just put this
We
on
should
and
put
it
it on our
feels
hands.
like right now.
Yeah.
It's very important to sunscreen your hands.
Yeah. And Inala.
Yes, I'm so excited.
Our friend Lala started this company. It's all about, you know, strengthening your hair, your scalp, helping with thinning hair.
Yeah, and she sent us her before and after photos.
Amazing.
I had said to her, oh my God, how funny, we did a story about Kim's rice water hair trick on Poosh, and she had said, that's my trick actually, and I taught it to Kim, so I thought it was so funny.
Soul by Jergens has their droplets and their mousse sunless tanner. I'm actually kind of obsessed. So this you can put in your moisturizer and your body cream. There's no streaks. It's clean.
This sounds amazing.
It's-
Mixed drops
I just
with
put it
daily
on my arms
moisturizer.
before we started.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, and then there's the mousse that comes in two like shades.
I love that it's made from like natural sugars and coconut oil and natural
too.
ingredients.
And then also Evolve Together. We have their amazingly clean, aluminum-free, everything-free deodorant.
I
which
love
is
a clean
great.
deodorant, and I think you always need to switch it up
Yeah.
and try new ones because they do stop working after
Yeah,
a while.
I think
Ooh.
that too. Their hand cream is great, and like to keep in, you know,
I think
your
for
day
a-
bag. if
For
you're
a
like,
day at the beach or a picnic, you need a deodorant and a hand cream.
Yeah. So this is your favorite candle.
It
We
is.
should talk about your candle. So this is Gardenia Scent, and in a white onyx. I don't know, should we show it?
I think we should open it because the cool part is that
Les Ruches. I'm obsessed with their whole concept that once you're done with the candle, you can send back the container if you don't want to repurpose it or use it for something else, and they'll refill it for you, which I think is so cool.
I also love that it's a marble container, so you can totally repurpose
Right.
it, and it will look really nice in your home. So it's, oh my God, it smells so good.
We have two more things. So this is second to last, Wthn, their ear seeds. So we had them at Poolside with Poosh,
Yeah,
which was really
that was
cool.
like my favorite thing at Poolside, and I kept them on for like probably like 2 weeks.
Me too. So it helps with stress. It can help with reproductive stuff. Like there's hormone balance. Like there's
Oh, I
so
love
many amazing benefits.
I remember last time she put like 4 on me, and I kept them on, and they look pretty.
The last but not least, we have Gather
Oh yes.
included this incredible mat, which is so cool and like stain and dirt resistant, and it can be used not just for like a picnic or a beach blanket, but like literally there's like 100 usages for it. And see, this is like, you know, very durable, and then this other side,
wipe it down.
Yep, you can wipe it down, is softer, but
the other side, yeah, would definitely be like durable.
yeah.
For a picnic. So I think this completes our summer mailer.
Deconstructed unboxing boxing. So
Yeah,
this is our summer
explaining.
mailer for the Poosh Perfect Summer Day.
Ta-ta. Toodles.
Court, you did great.
Are we still going?
No.
Oh.
Oh,
All right, let's cut cameras.